Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we talk about Flexbox and Grid in CSS. If you enjoy our content, leave a like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X for more creative videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing modern layout techniques that allow for flexible and responsive design, making it easy to create complex and dynamic layouts with CSS. These are important concepts for any web developer to understand as they form the foundation for creating visually appealing and effective website layouts. First, let's talk about Flexbox. Flexbox is a layout module in CSS that makes it easy to create flexible and responsive layouts. It allows you to align items in a container, distribute space between them, and change the direction of the layout. This makes it perfect for creating flexible grids, responsive navigation menus, and other dynamic layouts. Flexbox works by defining a parent container as a flex container, and its child elements as flex items. You can then use CSS properties such as justify content and align items to control the alignment of the flex items within the container. Next, let's talk about Grid. Grid is another layout module in CSS that allows you to create two-dimensional grid-based layouts. It is perfect for creating complex grid-based layouts, such as photo galleries, portfolios, and other grid-based designs. Grid works by defining a parent container as a grid container, and its child elements as grid items. You can then use CSS properties such as grid template columns and grid template rows to create a grid structure, and grid column and grid row to control the position of the grid items within the grid. Both Flexbox and Grid are powerful layout tools that enable web developers to create flexible, responsive, and dynamic layouts with CSS. In summary, Flexbox and Grid are modern layout techniques that allow for flexible and responsive design, making it easy to create complex and dynamic layouts with CSS. By understanding the concepts and features of these layout modules, you can create visually appealing and effective website layouts. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.